Hi, from Rochelle's Kosher Kitchen. So I am taking a recipe out of Claire and Larry's recipe, my mom's recipe for Heart Smart Chicken Marsala. To get started, we are taking 3 pounds of very thinly cut chicken cutlets and dredging it in flour. We're doing a little bit of salt, pepper, our chicken right into the flour and shaking it off. Place it on the parchment paper. A large skillet, coating it with my olive oil, because heating up the oil. Oil is nice and hot. Let's get in our chicken cutlets on each side. Don't want to overcrowd them, so we're going to do this in 2 batches. I've washed up my mushrooms. I'm using 2 kinds of mushrooms and lots of them. It is going to be set aside, and then we will put the next batch in. We're going to prep 1 onion. Slice your onion. Pop out our chicken. Golden brown. It is not cooked through. We're still going to be cooking it a little later along with all of our wonderful juices. Oil, we are going to add in our onions, adding in our mushrooms and onions. Let them saute. We're going to add back our chicken, placing it right on top. Adding in 2 cups of chicken stock, 1 cup of Marsala wine. Simmer for about 10 minutes. Everyone likes a little bit of a thicker sauce, so I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of cornstarch with water. Thicken up our sauce so that we will have a nice creamy sauce to go with our chicken marsala. Cooking right on the stove. My mom and dad always came up with great recipes. Love doing this, to pass this on to my children and my grandchildren. So I'm just going to give this a nice little flip over. We want the marsala to cook out, so we are keeping it out of boil. Okay, we like to give a little taste to make sure that we have our seasonings, our salt, pepper, all in the right ratio. Good. We still want the marsala to cook down a little bit, so I'm going to get down, simmer for 10 minutes. The preference here is to add a little bit of the cornstarch, just so that your sauce will start. You don't want it to be thick, you just want it to be coating your chicken nicely. So I'm not going to use the whole thing. I don't think it needs it. The flour from the chicken gave my chicken stock the nice little bit of coating that I needed. So not going to use it all. That's a family preference. We like ours just to have the sauce so that I could put the sauce on top of our spaghetti. Taking my chicken, putting it into my serving platter. Take this delicious sauce and pour that right on top of our chicken. Sprinkle a little green parsley on it, and you have a Heart Smart Chicken Marsala. Rochelle's Kosher Kitchen. Hope you enjoy our family recipe.